the truck. So this is red. It's got a pretty good body condition. The paint was in pretty good condition when I got it. It needs a bath for sure, but it's kind of the truck. It's all pretty stock. I don't know if these step rails were stock or not. I don't think they were. I think the person that had this truck before me bought them. But yeah, this is kind of the overview. Just do like a walk around. Tennessee license plate. It's got the stock 18 rims on it. I definitely want to update those. I'm not sure if I want to go with 20, but I'm considering, you know, another stock rim from Ford from a later F-150 model. Yeah. That was a little bit of the outside walk around of the truck. I'm going to show you the interior. The condition's pretty decent, especially for the age and mileage of the vehicle. So this is the model that has the doesn't have the sunroof, but it's got the rails on the ceiling, so you can put in some different compartments or like a DVD player, which is maybe one thing we might do in the future for like a kid in the back, be able to watch movies and stuff. But this is the back seat. It's got the leather interior. Pretty good condition for the vehicle. Of course, it's the Lariat, so you got the Lariat gauges. It's a stock radio. Yeah, so I'm pretty stoked about what I'm going to do with the truck in the future. Like I said, I got some parts ordered. I mentioned that in the previous video, the introduction video, which I will definitely link to, so you can check that out. But this is the this is stock, pre-stock F-150 Lariat 04, 181,000 miles, and it's not going to stay stock. I'm going to probably change it a little bit. Not sure what direction I want to lean as far as making it look more stock, but just modifications to it. For instance, like stock rims, or go with aftermarket rims, or whether I'm going to keep the rims to you know, have the stock profile or whatnot, or if make them extrude out a little bit. Not sure about fender flares. I kind of want to keep the color. It's got the two-tone, like the red and the gold, which I'm having a hard time finding like aftermarket wheels that will necessarily look good with that. So I'm still kind of trying to figure that out. All this is, you know, going to be down the road because I got a baby head on the way, and with that comes a lot of expenses. So this is all just stuff I'm dreaming about. But the engine repair is definitely something that's going to happen like soon, as in like in a couple weeks. The only parts I'm waiting on right now are the roller followers and the lash adjusters. I got those from Tasca Parts. They gave me a great deal on those. But yeah, so this has just been kind of a quick walk around of the truck, so you know what it looks like. And then also just kind of an interior look, so you can see what it looks like. It's all stock, nothing's changed, but just kind of give you an idea of what the truck looks like. I'm gonna try to post more videos in the future about this. Granted, this is my first time ever really kind of recording myself and making videos for YouTube, so it's kind of awkward for me, honestly. I'm not used to talking to myself on camera. I've done a lot of video stuff, shooting with a video, you know, for various things, but I've never actually been on the side of it. So give me a little grace, and I look forward to you guys kind of giving me some feedback on the videos and reply to those. And so anyway, if you would just like this video, subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications, and look forward to producing more content for you soon. Thanks.